Get that Dollywood ad out of my face. That only makes me want to go more. But as you can see, here in Pigeon Forge, the hotels are endless. You can see you got a Fairfield, a Hilton Garden, and a Hampton. Over there, the Ferris wheel still has its lights on. That's pretty interesting. And you can see the mountains in the background. I don't know what this is called. Hang on, I can probably read this sign if I go out a little further. Uncle Len's has Patagonia, Osprey, Chaco, or yeah, no. That's a joke. Uncle Lem. I don't know what that is over there, that building right there. That looks like a mansion, a gigantic townhouse. I don't know. Bullfish Grill right over there. It's really nice. Anyways, let's go into our room 363. Okay. So welcome inside our two queens, not a suite, I'm an idiot. A suite would be several rooms. You can see when you come in the door here, you got two ways to lock it, of course. The classic ways to lock a hotel, you've got the main door lock, and then you have this. You could also use this as a doorstop, see? I'll show you right now. You can use it as a doorstop. You see? If you're moving in a lot of bags like we did, right, Gabe? You can use this as a doorstop. Anyways, lock this up again. You've got your fire evacuation plan. Nothing really much. I don't usually read this. And then a frame here of 48 of the 50 US states. There's 48 out of 50. We're missing 2. Gabe, can you take a guess at which ones we're missing? You should know. There are 48 of 50 states on here. You should know which 2 we're missing.
How am I gonna know, dude? This all filled in. I thought it was.
You should be able to figure it out.
Is it this one? And is there a state here?
No, that's a lake.
Here?
No, that's the ocean.
Where's the second one that we're missing then?
There's 2 that we're missing that are not on this map.
That's the lake, right?
Yeah, that's Lake Michigan. You know what? This is gonna take too long.
Alaska?
Yep, Alaska's one of them.
Hawaii.
There you go. All right, so you can see out the window here. Usually we like to have our window blind. We have the blinds open. You can close them, of course. Then you got a nice table here with 2 chairs that face each other. So if you want to get some work done, you know, if you want to play a board game competitively, of course. Got the HVAC unit here, which I don't think is working. I don't think it's working. Oh, that's because it's off.
Turn that on.
I know. Yeah, we'll tell you. We can confirm to you that we were sleeping in these 2 queen beds right here, which is the next feature of this room. Now, the beds are a mess because we were just done sleeping in them. I'll put mine together later. And that piece of paper is a boarding pass from a year ago. Thanks, Gabe. And don't mind any of this. This is just my stuff, including a duffel bag. You see, you got a TV, NBA. Please don't watch this. I don't want to get copyrighted. And then you have a dresser here. Me and Gabe are going to share this dresser. Like you have
dirty clothes.
Yeah. And also to put you could store your clothes in here, but Gabe of course hasn't because, you know, it's Gabe. You got 2 little closets here. You see it's got hangers and I don't know what that is.
It's the ironing board table.
Oh. It's gotta be. And then in here you got the ironing board. More hangers in the iron. And this one. There's a mirror there. Hello. This must be a door to another room, so I'm not going to open it. Then you've got your kitchenette with a microwave and a fridge. Mini fridge, I should say. So if you want to store waters in here, fruits, or other cold snacks. or food, or your leftovers from dinner at one of those restaurants. I don't know if you want to store those in there.
Forgot we had a mini fridge.
This is the ice bucket. There's no ice in there. Then you have your sink over here with all your various toiletries. Those are all mine. These are all provided. Hair dryer, Hamilton Beach hair dryer. I didn't have to specify that, but I did. And then another gigantic mirror with a light. Okay, I'm not going to do that to you. And then the last stop is the bathroom. It's really a bathroom and a half. Because normally a half bath would have the sink and the toilet, but since the sink is out there, this is a bathroom and a half, because usually the shower would be the second bath. You see, you got the toilet here and the shower. It actually works fine. We were having problems with that specific drain yesterday, but I was able to get it ready. I was able to get it to drain. I don't know what that is. It's not a fan. You got towels over here. I hung one right here. Seems as though it's dry. And toilet paper in a trash can. Okay. So, that's the bathroom. And that's pretty much all there is to this room. Oh, I forgot to cover this table over here. This is where I put all my stuff. You've also got an alarm clock, which is an hour behind thanks to the time change. But yeah, that's about it. So that is the whole room. It's definitely not as nice as the 21C room in Lexington. You weren't there for that. You'll have to go check out that video, Gabe. Go like and share with your friends. And this goes for you guys too who are watching this one. Have a great day.